What is up, YouTube, and welcome to the lab. It is your boy, your host, Nick, and guys, thank you so much for stopping by. It is an honor and pleasure and privilege having you stop by here today. And guys, we're gonna get together, commemorate a special moment. I was out searching. Well, actually, my buddy let me know that he found something at Kohls that I haven't noticed anywhere else yet, and that product is the Trick or Treat. We got the Trick or Trade booster bundle over here from Kohls. It costed like 16, 17 bucks, something like that. You get 40 mini packs, each containing 3, and yeah, I haven't seen it at Walmart yet. You guys can let me know in the comments down below. Maybe you guys have spotted it at Walmart. I haven't spotted it yet. And it goes for like 16, 17 bucks, something like that. Here is the packs. They're cool purplish color. They feel very thin, which is nice for Hatterene. All right, and then we got a Zubat and a Murkrow. It's nice having them thin. That way it don't bend the cards. Like Celebrations, I would notice trying to open it, the pack sometimes they would want a taco if you gave the pack a little too much sauce and want to fold up on you. All right, next up we have a Mimikyu. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I know it's been a while. I'm still thinking about you guys all the time. I just been super busy, man, focused on the business, building the business, with the new baby and everything. Just yeah, been doing a lot of things, staying busy. But we'll get back to this YouTube thing here and upload more frequently. I have a couple PSA submissions out. I uploaded the video for you guys of my $30 submission. And then I have a video that will be coming out of my $18 submission. And of course, obviously, whenever those grades come back and whatnot, stuff like that. We got a Trevenant, Ariados, and a Poltergeist. All right. Also, I'm noticing is that these hollows, they all have a little curve to them there, a little curvature, as you can see. Pretty significant. You can see them when the cards are laying down. I hope you guys, everything's going good for everyone. Hope you guys are accomplishing collection goals and everything like that. I wish you the best. I got some new cards that I'm dying to show you guys that I want to make videos about and drop them in. I made a whole new display for all my graded Charizards, dude. Super cool. Can't wait to show that off to you guys. Show you what I did with that. Here's Mewtwo, baby, looking tight. And then we got Hatena and Dusclops. But this Mewtwo, I've seen pictures of this, like my favorite. I guess the favorite card I was looking forward to pull. And I don't know, it's hard to explain it, but the cards have like an orangish hollow to them when they shine in the right light. I'll try to find other examples, but it just, I don't know, it feels very Halloween-y. Halloween-y. All right. Now, I wish before I started recording the video, I would have looked up like a set list to see how many cards are actually in the set. I've seen pictures online of the set having the Gengar VMAX in it, dude, but I don't know. We'll see. That would be sweet if it does. But speaking of Gengar pulling, this one's pretty cool. Okay, this one you can see the orange. See the orange hue on the hollow right there? It seems like all the hollows have kind of had that Halloween-y orange feel. But yeah, I want to see, I have all the hollows in their own piles to see how many different hollows we start getting. And, however big this set is, I'd like to have a little complete set for the old binder there. And also what I've noticed is that, all the cards, they have their regular set. They're just all from other sets throughout the Sword and Shield generations. So they're not new variants or anything like that. I think they're just remade cards with orange hue and the little Pikachu. Another Gourgeist and the Pikachu head there. Oop, Pikachu card. And also too, I don't think it's like the McDonald's where every set has, a hollow and then each card has the same non-hollow. I don't think it's like that either. And Mewtwo. There we go, baby. There we go. In all his glory. Zubat, and Misdreavus. So we got 40 packs here. We'll just kind of keep going for a while. Well, I was just planning to open the whole thing. But we're already starting to get some doubles. Ooh, that Dusknoir, dude, that looks fire. Look at that little Psyball or Devour Soul, if that's the name of the move. Ghastly, looking cool, nice. Do I have the Dusknoir already? No. Yeah, that one looks nice. The hollows seem to hit though, that's for sure. Yeah, one of the cards, dude, I can't wait to show you guys. I'll just tell you this. It's a gold star. And it's a card I did not think I'd be adding to my collection anytime soon. And this Darkrai was a new pull, so we're still pulling new cards. We're at 5, 6, 7, 8 different 8 different stacks. So 8 different hollows that we have so far. So a lot of garbage already building up. Trevenant, Spinarak, Pumpkaboo. And Miss Magus. Did we pull that? I don't think so. There we go. Another new pull. Murkrow and Ariados. Ariados. And we got Hatcherene. Where's that stack? Right there. And Danny Phantom and Dusclops. And Gourgeist. Alright, and Lampent Duskull. We already pulled the Gourgeist, I believe. Yes, we did. Actually, it's the 3rd time we pulled Gourgeist. Alright, Gengar. Nice. It's actually a 2nd Gengar. And our boy Nickit with a little fruit or whatever in his mouth. I just nicked it. That's what I always say my name, Nickit Nick, but I think I would say it so fast and some people, I don't know, they would think I said other words when I say Nickit Nick. It sounds like, I don't know, like I'm saying something else. Just a funny little story. All right, got another Mewtwo. I'll take it. Loving this Mewtwo. And a Pikachu and a Sinistea. I wish they made that Pikachu a holo. That'd be cool. All right, we got a Chandelure, Zubat, and Misdreavus. Oh, dude, Chandelure's new. We haven't pulled that yet. Okay. First fire type. So now we're up to 10 different variants of cards that we've pulled thus far. And after we open these up, we'll go over them and look at what they are. And who do we get here? Dusknoir. So it's pretty cool that just buying one bag, I imagine, will probably allow you to complete this little tiny baby set. It would be cool if they're, I don't know, some chase card, even if it's really hard to pull. Trevenant, Patrum, and Haunter. And I just knocked over my stack of commons. All right, there we go. Got them cleaned up. Trevenant, there you go. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5. All right. Got a bunch of holos building up here. Mimikyu, okay, it's Cubone Poltergeist. We pulled Mimikyu, that's the 4th time. So yeah, that's a whole lot of doubles in this set, that's for sure. But I can't wait to hand these out on Halloween, man, to see the looks on the kids' faces, dude. They're gonna light up. Especially all the kids around in my neighborhood, they all know me as the Pokemon guy, you know. I hook them up with cards, so when they come to my house and they see that they're gonna get booster packs for Halloween, bro, they're just gonna light up. It's gonna be so cool. I love this. I want to buy a bunch of these just to keep them on hand. Just to have like cheap packs to open up with kids whenever, you know. It's kind of cool. So I am looking to buy some more of these. Keep some in the personal collection, keep some to open up with my kids and everything. Maybe I can give them out as like incentive for chores and stuff like that. Wouldn't that be cool? Something like that. Because these break down to what, you know, 50 cents a pack, not even, like 40 cents a pack. Ghastly, Lampent, and Miss Magus. All right, so let's take a look at what we have here. Here is all of everything that we pulled. We got the Hatchering, pulled quite a few of those. We got a stack of the Mimikyu, stack of the Trevenant, stack of the Gorgeist, my favorite, Mewtwo, my Dragon Ball from my boy Dragon Ball Dan from Australia. Shout out Dragon Ball Dan. Got Gengar, a couple of them, probably my second favorite card, next to the Mewtwo, the Dusknoir, the Darkrai, the Miss Magus, and the Chandelure. So there you have it, folks, a whole stack of commons right there. And it looks like that's going to be the master set, I think. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. Hopefully I'm wrong and there is some other cooler card that I don't have that I can chase. But thank you guys so much for watching, dude. It's been truly an honor and a pleasure and a privilege. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. And while if you have hung around this long, please hit that subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 1K. Been at this for a couple of years, man. Would love your support. Would feel truly honored. Yeah, dude, I think that's it. Come back to the Odd Oddish if you want to see other cool collection videos and just all things awesome. Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, Magic, toys, video games, whatever it may be. You can find it here at the Odd Oddish with your boy Nick. Guys, thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. This has been awesome. Peace. Or I could throw it, I guess.